Hey guys, today we're going to talk about exterior maintenance that's necessary at this time of the year. So, in a couple weeks, the leaves will have stopped falling, and it'll be time to clean your gutters and make sure that there are no leaves going into the heavy rainy season left in your gutters. And then you also want to make sure that your downspouts are also extended so that the water is not terminating right at the bottom of the foundation. And last but not least, make sure that you have changed your air filters and clean your dryer vent, which can also sometimes be a fire hazard. If you guys have any questions or if you want contractors that can do that for you guys, please don't hesitate to ask me. I've got super competitive people and would love to help. Take care.